बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पाकिस्तान अफेयर के पार्ट करेंगे जो जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर में आता है। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट कैपिटल ऑफ ब्रिटिश राज वाज कोलकाता। st जॉर्ज फोर्ट वाज बिल्ट इन मदारस। नो चेन्नई। Polio officially started in Pakistan in 1994. The incident of Kanpur occurred in 1913. The Khaksar Tehreek was established in 1930 by Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi. The Hindu Mahasabha was established in 1921. Indus Valley civilization belonged to Metal Age or Neolithic Age, both. The Indus Valley alluvial soil was used for making bricks. The Tiger of Mysore is called Tipu Sultan. The oldest intelligence agency of Pakistan is IB. National Assembly approved the Constitution of 1973 on 10 April 1973. Who was the first captain of Pakistan national cricket team? Abdul Hafiz Kardar. Which is the first ever large university of Pakistan? Sazabul. Senate of Pakistan comprises of how many members? 104. Minimum and maximum number of members of Council of Islamic Ideology are 8 and 20. Longest railway platform of Pakistan, Rohri Station. In which year Supreme Court of Pakistan imposed ban on Basant Festival? 2005. Who has been appointed as Pakistan's first Hindu civil judge? Suman Badani. Sher Shah Suri buried in Sasaram. Last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah II. The Bashai Mosque of Lahore was built by Aurangzeb in 1673. A party can only form the government in Pakistan if it managed to secure 172 seats in total. Color Kahar Lake is in Chakwal. ISPR stands for Inter-Service Public Relations. What is National Sweet of Pakistan? Barfi. Who was Prime Minister of Pakistan after Zafarullah Khan Jamali in 2004? Chaudhry Shahjat Hussain. Pakistan is fifth longest sugar producer and eighth largest consumer in the world. Mirpur Khan is famous for cultivation of mangoes. After the independence of Pakistan 1947, because it is proximity with Indian border, this city became the first to welcome refugees to Pakistan. Mirpur Khas. Chitori is the historical and central graveyard of Talpur Mir located in Mirpur Khas. The institution of basic democratic was introduced in 1959 in order to remove deficiency that had characterized the village aid program and to utilize the concealed unemployment in the rural sector. Who has been appointed as Corps Commander at Lahore? Lieutenant Mujahid Ehsan. When was Lahore High Court established? 1919. Simli Dam Lake is located near Islamabad. When Sui Northern Gas Pipeline Limited Pakistan Company was established 1963. When Sui Northern Gas Pipeline Limited converted into public limited company in January 1964. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. Campbellpur is old name of Attock. Which PTV program was hosted by PM Benazir Bhutto during 1970s? Encounter. Famous fruit of Larkana is Geva. The Bashai Mosque of Lahore was built by Aurangzeb in Kartarpur border located in which district of Punjab, Pakistan, Norway? The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was established at Karachi. Seven Queen of Sindh are mentioned in Shah Sheikh Ahmad Sarhandi Mehmet Alif Sani was born on 971 Hijri. Maktub-e-Imam Rabbani is one of the writing of Mujahid Alif Sani. How many times Pakistan won the Blind Cricket World Cup? 2 times. When did Pakistan recognize Bangladesh? February 1974. First meeting of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. The Village Agriculture and Industrial Development program was initiated in 1953. The institution of basic democracy was introduced in order to remove deficiency that characterized the village aid program and utilize concealed unemployment in the sector. When Nadra was established March 10, 2000, where is headquarters of PTCL Islamabad, when was Water and Power Development Authority established February 12, 1958, the main headquarters of Tablighi Jamaat referred as a Markaz in Delhi, when was Pakistan Telecommunication Company Limited, commonly known as PTCL, founded in 1948? When was Oil and Gas Development Company Limited, commonly known as OGDCL, founded in September 20, 1961? NEPRA was created when Parliament of Pakistan passed NEPRA Act 1997. The foundation stone of Qaid Mausoleum was laid by Ayub Khan, named the architecture of Mazar-e-Iqbal, Nawab Zain Jar Jang Bahadur. Sassi Punno is Sindhi story. Sassu is known as Princess of Hope. Which article of Pakistan Constitution 1973 state the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 5 to 16 years in such manner as may be determined by law. Article 25A, in which Constitution of Pakistan the minister were neither member of parliament nor answerable to the parliament. 1962, under Yahya LFO legal framework order, what option National Assembly had it couldn't frame the constitution within 120 days, dissolve automatically. Which article of Pakistan Constitution 1973 provide freedom of the press and freedom of expression? 19. When people of Gilgit-Baltistan had won liberation from Dogra rule, in which help of Gilgit Scout 1947, a committee consisting of how many members was set up to draft the constitution of Muslim League? 60. Shah Abdul Latif Rosolo was first published by Dr. Ernest Trump from Lapizig. Hassan Ali Afandi established Sindh Muhammad Association on the advice of Justice Syed Amir Ali, who were the founder of Khilafat movement. Ali brother, where is Kailash Valley KPK when Nadra was established? 1948. 2000. The Great Germany of the Indus Valley civilization was discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The famous figure of dancing girl found the excavation of Harappa was made up of bronze. Indus Valley civilization was spread over Sindh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat. The Indus Valley people know the use of gold, silver, copper, bronze, but not iron. The Indus Valley people know the use of gold, silver, but not iron. जो हो गया. The main occupation of people of Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. Who was the first Inspector General IG of Punjab Police? Qurban Ali Khan. Darulum Deoband was founded on 31st May 1966. Hazrat Mahal, who fought during the War of Independence 1857 against the British, was Begum of Awada. In the year 1719, how many Mughal kings sat on throne? 4. When was 18th Amendment Bill passed by National Assembly of Pakistan? 8th April 2010. Harappa city is situated in the bank of Ravi River. The Indus Valley civilization known as pre-Aryan civilization because of the evidence of copper. When the National Olympic Committee for Pakistan was created in 1948, from which one of the following sites was the famous Bull Seal? Indus Valley founded Mohenjo-daro. Which of the following distinguish the Harappan from other contemporary civilization of the world? Town planning and drainage. There are similarity between seal found as Mohenjo-daro and Sumaira. Whom the following Sultan of Delhi assumed the title of Sikandar Sani? Abdullah Khilji, Alauddin Khilji. Who was the first federal tax ombudsman of Pakistan? Justice R. Salim, who was the first president of Indian National Congress, Mohammad Chandar, who was the first Muslim governor of Lahore, Malik Ayaz, who was the first Muslim commander-in-chief of Pakistan Navy, M. Siddiqui, who was the first Muslim commander-in-chief of Pakistan Navy 11. Which of the following Governor General of Pakistan died in exile? Iskandar Mirza. In September 23, 1958, the Deputy Speaker of Shahid Ali Patwari was killed in Provincial Assembly of Bengal. The first indigenous constitution was given to Pakistan by Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Darul Deoband was founded on 31st May 1866. When National Woolers Day celebrated by ECP 7 December, who was the first woman car mechanic in Pakistan, Uzma Nawaz. The book Political Parties in Pakistan 1947-1958 was written by Muhammad Rafiq Afzal. The demarcation line between Republic of India and Islamic Republic of Pakistan, known as Red Curve Line, in which district of Sindh province Lucky Dar is situated. Shikarpur. Mola was a famous personality of Indo-Pak. He led to which law? When was name of Lalpur was changed to Faisalabad? Tomb of Makhdoom Bilawal is at Thatta. Which is oldest university of Pakistan? King Edward Medical University, Lahore. When King Edward Medical University or University of Pakistan was established? Sawat River. Who issued Comrade English newspaper from Kalsaiti? Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. In PCB, Pakistan Cricket Board affiliated to ICC 28 July 1952. Which district of Pakistan Kalabagh Dam is located? Mianwali. Who presented Poor Man's Budget in 1946? Liaquat Ali Khan. Which political party was in power in Northwest Frontier Province, now KPK, at the time of Independence Congress? The Ashoka Man Valley is in Gilgit-Baltistan. Kori Creek is in which district? Thatta. Before the partition of India 1947, how many princely states existed? 562. Under which scheme did Muslim League surrender the demand of separate electorate for the Muslim? Delhi Proposal 1927. When did Pervez Musharraf resign from the post of President? 18th August 2008. Who was first caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan? Mustafa Jatoi. Which is the oldest university of Pakistan? King Edward University. Qatar has offered 1 lakh jobs for skilled and semi-skilled workers from Pakistan. When was Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation founded, headquartered in Islamabad? December 20, 1972. When was Pakistan Bureau of Statistics founded? 14 July 1950. When the National Finance Commission Award (NFC) was enacted? 1951. National Finance Commission Award (NFC) was constituted under the which article of the Constitution? 160. When was Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan founded? 1st January 1999. The land lying between the river Indus and river Jhelum is called Sindh Sagar Doab. The land lying between the river Ravi and river Chenab is called Richna Doab. Sachin Glacier is located in which district? Ranchi. Pakistan won the ICC World Cup one day 1992. It was in a row of ICC World Cup. Pakistan Citizenship Act of 1951 guarantees citizen to anyone born in the country. In 2016, about 6 lakh Afghan were set back by Pakistan, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Quit India movement. What is the other name of Lahore Resolution? Pakistan Resolution. और लॉर्ड लेंथनगो जो थे वो वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया टाइम ऑफ क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ हाईएस्ट लेक ऑफ पाकिस्तान विच इज़ नियर recently discovered by Umar Ehsan, head of Karachi based Mountain Survival International? Pakistan Lake. Madre Millat Mohtarma Fatma Jinnah died in Karachi on July 7, 1967. Pakistan became a member of International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA in 1957. Qatar has offered 1 lakh jobs for skilled and semi-skilled workers in Pakistan. In which city of Sindh famous Hathi Dar is located? Shikarpur. Quaid-e-Azam started practice in which city of subcontinent? Bombay. Who is civilian commander-in-chief of Pakistan Armed Forces, President of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan, entitled to hold his office for a term of 5 years? Who was the Prime Minister of British during Indo-Pak partition? Clement Attlee. Shahi Qila located in which city of Pakistan? Lahore. Who was first president of Pakistan Muslim League 1949? Khaliquzzaman. Who abolished one unit? Yahya Khan. When Pakistan capital shifted from Karachi to Islamabad 1967? Was the architecture and town planning of Islamabad Dr. Constantino Apostolo. When did partition of Bengal took place? 1905. तो ये थे हमारे पास पाकिस्तान स्टडी के MCQs। आई होप आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होंगे, आपके आने वाले पेपर में ये आपके काम आएंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।